Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Richard Insider. If you haven't received your tax refund, how to check what's going on with your tax refund and what to do to get your tax refund fast. And also, I'm gonna tell you situation where your tax refund could be delayed. Okay, I'm gonna put this link in the description of the YouTube video down below. And usually, if you file a tax return electronically, you should be able to receive your tax refund within 21 days. And if you file with paper tax return, it could take more than 4 weeks before you are able to use this tool. And because it takes about 4 weeks for them to receive your tax return, organize your tax return, and also put your tax return data in their computer system. So it's about 4 weeks, and after that they're gonna send you a refund either by direct deposit or by check. So but if it's by check, it could take more than 21 days. So 4 weeks plus 21 days, which is 3 weeks. So you are looking at about 7 weeks, 7 weeks or more, maybe 10 weeks if you file tax return in paper. So my suggestion for the next year is file the tax return electronically. It's gonna be really fast. Tax refund gonna receive, which you should be able to receive within 21 days. So what will you need to check your tax refund status? You will need your social security number and ITIN number, and also your filing status. Your single, married, filing joint return, or married filing separately, and also if you're head of household or if you're a widower, so you need to put that information, and also your exact refund amount. So if your refund is 1,099 cents, you need to put 1,000.99 in the check my tax refund status. And how soon this refund status available? As soon as after you file your tax return, you can check it within 24 hours. If you file electronically, if it's paper mail, you can check maybe after 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, after they receive your paper tax return. And remember, do not file second tax return. If you already filed the first return and you already get a receipt from your IRS, your CPA or your tax advisor can tell you if you use their services. If you file yourself, you should be receiving receipt from the IRS. If you already receive the tax return receipt from IRS, do not file the second tax return. No, if you don't, you can ask your CPA what to do, or you can call IRS. Hey, I haven't received my tax return receipt yet. What's going on? So 24 hours after e-filing, you can check the status. And how often can you check your tax refund status? You can do it every day, almost every day. Because they update the system. Where's my refund daily? Usually overnight. You can check it, every day. So there are really interesting topic. You can look at it: refund timing, refund information, refund FAQs, frequently asked questions. These are really great information. So should you call IRS? No, you should only call IRS if the Where's My Refund tool tells you to call IRS. And also, if it's more than 21 days or more since you e-file, you can call IRS. And what are the situations that your tax refund could be delayed? If your tax return includes error, such as the incorrect recovery rebate credit amount. So last year in 2020, we received stimulus check. Let's say if you did not receive it, you put it in the recovery rebate credit amount. It should be $600. Let's say, just example. But if you put it $700, then there is a mistake. So your refund could be delayed. Or if you already got your stimulus check, but you also put in the recovery rebate credit, so you are doing double dipping. It's called double dipping. You are trying to get 2 times, then your refund could be delayed. And if your tax return is not complete, or if you are affected by identity theft or fraud, or if you file additional child tax credit using 2019 income, or if you include a file for earned income tax credit, you can be delayed. If your tax return also includes a Form 8379 injured spouse allocation, that can take up to 14 weeks to process. That's more than 3 weeks, 3.5 months. And if your tax return needs further review in January, so these are the reason why your tax refund could be delayed. So you should get it within 21 days if you e-file. If not, I would say 4 weeks and 21 days. So basically 1.5 months. 1 month and 3 weeks. You should receive your tax refund. Okay, then you can click on. Let me tell you this information. This is what information available. You're gonna see return receipt. You're gonna see refund approved. You're gonna see refund sent if you use that tool to check your tax return. What are the tax return information that not gonna be available? Is if you file business tax return, you're not gonna see that. You need to call this phone number if you want to know about your business tax return. So this number from outside of US, you can call this number. You can check your tax refund status up to prior 2 years. So if you are checking for in 2021, you can check for 2020 tax return and 2019 tax return in using this tool. And how long your tax refund information be available until the 3rd week in December, around your 2nd or 3rd week in December. That's what they said. If you file after July 1st, throughout the following year until you file tax return for more current year. So if you file after July 1st, you can check until next year, until you file your next year tax return. So let's go click on this one, check my refund status. This link I'm gonna put it in the comment below. Check my tax refund status. You can click on it, then you're gonna see your refund status. So what do you put in? Your social security number. If you're single, you can put single. If you're married, filing joint return, you can put it. If you're married, filing separate return, you can put it. Head of household, qualified widow. One thing you need to know is, let's say if you were single in 2020, and you file as a single 2020, but you got married in say January or 2021, do not choose married. Even though you are married right now, you need to put information based on what you put in the tax return. So you put in right here. Then after that, you put in refund amount exactly as you get from your tax return. If it's 1,099 put it 1,000.99. Put it down below. So click submit. Okay, that's about it. If you have any question, comment down below. If you watch until the end, you can comment below which city and which country or which state are you watching from. Yeah, you're gonna become my good friend, my GF. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna give you free stocks and crypto for watching until the end. Click the link down below in the description or in the comment. Get free stock or cryptocurrency just by opening a free account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.